Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, my name is Rosemont. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be part of the family. I hope everybody's having a good new year so far. It's already 2022. My goodness, I can't believe the years are just flying by, and now we are in 2022. So it's about 2 weeks in now. Today is January the 10th. So I'm filming this video. I haven't posted in my channel for a while. So I hope everybody's doing good. Everybody's doing good things. And I hope for this new year that we are putting our intentions, our good intentions out, and we are going after our goals. We are doing what needs to be done. We are staying focused and putting everything out in the universe. Whatever you want for you, whatever goals that you have, put it out in the universe. Remember, if you speak it, you can achieve it. Whatever you think you want to do, you can always do it. So for this new year, I'm wishing everyone good health, prosperity, lots and lots and lots of blessings, success. Remember to speak life over yourself, speak life over your family. And for this new year, I hope everybody's doing good so far. So I hope everybody's setting their intentions into the universe. You're putting your intentions out there and you're going after your dreams. Everything that you want to accomplish, you're going after that. You're writing your things down, you're writing your goals down, and you're making your list, okay? As far as for me, I have lots of personal goals that I want to accomplish, and I have wrote it down, I speak it loud, and I put it out there, whatever I want. So for my channel, guys, I haven't posted in a while. And so for my channel this year, I really want to grow this channel. I really want to be more consistent in putting out more content in my channel. So that is one of the goals. And also I want to at least get to 1,000 subscribers for this year. Okay, I know I possibly can get more than that, but my goal is to at least get to 1,000 subscribers for this year and be more consistent and put out more videos. So yeah, so that's one of the goals that I have for this channel. I want to inspire young people. People can see my journey. If you're in nursing, you want to become a nurse, hopefully with my videos I can empower you to become a better person, to become a better nurse, to go after your dreams and everything that you want to accomplish. So with that being said, let's get right onto the video. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning around my house. I've already cleaned when the year was about to start. I did like deep cleaning, but now I'm keeping the momentum going. Today's my day off. As you guys know, the ones that have watched my videos before, I am a registered nurse, so I work 12-hour shifts. So it's been busy right now, it's busy. So I've been working a lot. So today I'm off, so I'm gonna take this time to clean my fridge because it's a mess in there. I'm gonna be cleaning my fridge, and then possibly later or tomorrow I will be doing grocery shopping, and then also I will be tackling my bathroom because I need to do that. I need my space to be clean, okay? It makes you feel better, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. So yes guys, so let's do a little bit of cleaning with me. We're gonna be throwing away things that we don't need from the fridge. So yeah, let's get on to the video. from the fridge. So I'm gonna be using my Clorox, and then I have the OxyClean. That's what I'm gonna be using to clean the fridge. And then I'm gonna go over the things that were in the fridge, whatever that I'm not gonna use anymore or whatever is expired. I'm gonna be taking, I'm gonna throw them away pretty much. So I'm gonna throw it away, and then tomorrow I will be going grocery shopping so I can replenish my groceries. So I don't have much. I have some juices, I think fish, and then I have a couple of yogurts, juices, that's about it. And then I need to go grocery shopping, but I want to make sure that I clean this fridge because it's dirty. And it's a lot of expired things that I need to get rid of. So those are the things I'm going to be using. things that were still good, I put them back. And whatever I didn't need anymore that expired, I put them away. And we are ready to go shopping and replenish our groceries.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, "I like your work" or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million in dollars.
Hey guys, so I'm done with the fridge. The fridge is already done. I will insert everything. It'll be in the video. So the fridge is clean. Microwave. I cleaned the counters, the kitchen area. So everything is all put away. Things I don't need, I throw away, and I will show you guys the end result. And I hope, guys, this video motivates you to clean. If you have your fridge or whatever area in your house that you want to clean, I hope this gives you a little motivation for you to get up, get on your grind, and clean. Okay, so especially if you're off work, use the time wisely and clean your house, put away things better. It will brighten up your day. It will make your house feel lighter. Everything, you know, will change by you cleaning. You know, it'll put you in a different mood. So yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and be part of the family. Let's get to 1K and more videos to come, guys. Let me know what else you want me to film, and I will see you guys in the next video. And whatever I didn't need anymore that expired, I threw them away. And we are ready to go shopping and replenish our grocery.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring no Sally when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up. this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own condo and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I the clothes I'm wearing. Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your Sally when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own condo and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes